Hello guys, today it is early morning in Seattle. It's a Sunday. I think it's July 12th as I'm recording this. I am headed to Porsche Bellevue Cars and Coffee. I believe they have this every second Sunday of the month, and it's really good turnout. Last time I was there, they had free coffee vendor, free donut vendor, and a lot of nice Porsches. I might have been the only BMW there. I'm actually traveling with my friend right now. He's in the 911, the 992 911 behind me. I don't know if the camera catches him in the side view mirror as well. But yeah, it'll be fun to go check out the cars. And we actually have these set of radios that we've been using to just communicate. It's they've been pretty cool. So, you guys, the sun's finally out. Thank you. You promised me.
Let's hope it's sunny on the east side.
We're so close to the east side, it has to be. I'm actually a huge.
Camera ahead.
Okay. I'm a huge fan of early morning car meets. I feel like the earlier the car meet, the better. But like the early limit being like 8 a.m. It's nice.
Alright, got the video on, recording in the background.
It's okay. It'll be a good ramp. The car's like almost warmed up, so I should be able to just do like a little on-ramp pull. This car is still mostly stock in terms of the horsepower. I do have the CS flash on this car, so that's an extra, what is that, 20, anywhere from like 20 to 40 for the bump, I think, in horsepower. I'll be honest, I haven't really felt it too much. I think you're supposed to feel it on the high end, but I haven't really driven this thing like, you know, on the high end. Should be going soon here, I think. So just in the sport mode, we're gonna hit our M2 button here. That was a pull. Now that was a cool pull. was pretty cool. And yes, this is the 911 right here. This thing rips, man. That thing is so sick. Yeah, they've got a valve controller on that thing, and with just that, it opens the sound so much. The valve controller. I feel like I always recommend people to get a valve controller first. Really woke this car up with the pops. It's actually a really nice empty road too. We're gonna get there at around like 7:57. So right before the event starts. Hopefully there's still a few spots in the front. It was pretty busy last time, but we got there at like 7:45 last time, and we were able to snag a few front spots. That was really nice. My favorite part of the I-90 will always be that floating bridge over Lake Washington. It is so nice. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just yapping to myself for my video. I've been doing a lot of car stuff over the weekends. I've been doing a lot of cruising with friends, and we do like really small groups, like just two of us, sometimes three of us, and we just have radios. So we just do like side chitter chatter. It gets pretty fun sometimes. That dip was not nice. Last time I saw quite a few GT4 RSs. I really like seeing those Caymans. Probably my favorite Porsche, the 718 Cayman GT4 RS with the WS package. Is that it? I think that's it. The sun is supposed to break out like in a few hours. It might be actually cloudy when I'm recording some of the cars when we get there, which is a bit unfortunate. I still hope they left some disabled spots for us.
Okay, bro.
Last time we were on this curve, we were behind a donut truck.
Gotta become friends with the donut people.
Too bad that's not the donut truck over there. That's that looks like a cop car for some reason. Is that Ford Explorer?
It is, but it's a normal pedestrian.
Do you think people get those cars thinking that they look like cops, and then like people all like get scared?
Yeah, I really don't like that, but I always have to check for the plates first.
Yeah, I'm not a fan either. Honestly, it's like you got people slowing down around them thinking they're cops, man. It just slows down traffic.
Agreed. They should never ever be able to buy a Ford Explorer.
This car sounds so good. Hear a bit of my turbo spooling.
I can buy the EVs today. EV chargers.
I cannot believe I turned into the wrong one.
It happens.
I'm gonna park my EV next to your EV. Turn these off, and then we could check out a bit of the event. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go check. Gotta wipe down my car a bit too, but yeah, this is the event, and we're gonna go check out the cars. And then that's the 9 in tune right there. So we're parked right here in front of the EV chargers, but we'll go exploring a bit. That's actually my guy Nathan pulling up. He's got the GT2 RS. That thing is super sick. M3, 911. We're just side by side. Let's go check it out. Ooh, another 911. It's a bit cloudy this morning, but I think we can make this work. I love this lineup here. Alright, it's like a blue and light you know, like whited black scale kind of line up here. Oh, those blue colors are so nice. Oh, got this red one here. Oh, look at this GT4 RS, man. Oh, I got the yellow little trim thing on the wheel. That thing is so cool. GT4 RS, I love that color. Is that Miami blue, maybe? Got this silver one. Ooh, another GT4. This is my buddy Wahid. He's got this super sick lava red GT3 RS. Oh shit, my guy Sam pulled up too. He's got the Ruby Star 911 Carrera T, I think. I love this color so much. Oh, there's his dog. Oh my god, it's his dog. So I have no idea what color this is, but it's a really nice lavender purple. I also have no idea what kind of green this is, but it kind of pops, and honestly, I really like it. I guess Sam finally found a spot. It's next to the Corvette and the Merc. So there were actually 3 lava red GT3 RSs today. That's kind of crazy. Okay, I think this Fjord green, and I've seen this GT4 RS at Lake Washington sometimes. Oh my god, I love this color. Look at this!